Hi everyone, welcome to Debanks House of Fashion. It's been a while. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cut a flutter sleeve. It looks like staple sleeve, but it's not really a staple sleeve. So let's get down to business. This is my fabric folded into two. So now you fold it in bias form. That is, you fold it like a scarf. Fold it like this. Fold it in bias form. So the easiest method we can use here is to place our bodies on it. The armhole we've already cut for the bodies. This is the back bodies, and this is the armhole area. Just place the armhole area on your folded fabric. Place it on your folded fabric to where you have the exact armhole measurement. So this is where it falls. Then bring out the shape of your armhole. I'm chalking it now. Bring out the shape of your armhole like this. Can you see it? This is what I have now. From here, now it's left for you to decide if you want it to have pleats. If you want it to have pleats, just add a little to it up here. But if you don't want it to have pleats, it is okay like this. Now the sleeve length I want to use is 14, and I'll be adding allowance, half-inch seam allowance to join it to the bodies here, and half-inch seam allowance to join it to the bias I want to add here. You may not add any half-inch down here, it depends on whatever you want to do. Or you may add 1 inch after your sleeve length if you want to fold the fabric. So the length I'm using is 14. So from here I'm taking my 14. I hope you can see it. From here I'm taking my 14. Okay, I hope you can see it now. So from here I'm taking my 14 with half-inch seam allowance up here. So I'm taking 14 and half with half-inch for the bias I want to add. So I'm taking 15 inch. Now this is a little different because we have folded it in bias form. So this place, just make this place straight. Make this place straight. So all your measurement is starting from here. Instead of you taking 15 from here again, you start your measurement. Everything starts from here. So 15 like this, and 15 here. If you take 15 here, at the end of the day, you have this place longer than this place, which is not supposed to be. So this is it. It is as simple as this. So I will cut out and show it to you. So I have cut it out, and this is what I have. This is what I have. You may be wondering or looking at it as if it's looking awkward or somehow, but once you fix it, it becomes what you want. It becomes what you want once you fix it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.